If you enjoy tool reviews and real tests, make sure to hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps this content coming. Today we're taking a closer look at a very useful tool for both DIY ERs and professionals, the Parkside Clamp Meter. This is a compact and versatile clamp meter designed to measure electrical values safely and efficiently, without needing direct contact with live wires in many cases. Right out of the box, the device feels solid and well built, with a durable plastic housing that gives confidence for everyday workshop or field use. The clamp mechanism opens smoothly and allows you to measure current by simply clamping around a cable. This is one of the biggest advantages of clamp meters, yet you don't need to cut wires or interrupt the circuit, making it much safer and faster. The device supports multiple measurement functions, including AC current, voltage, resistance, and continuity testing. This makes it a multi-purpose tool that can cover most basic electrical diagnostics. The rotary dial is easy to use and clearly labeled, so switching between functions is quick and intuitive. The display is clear and readable, even in lower light conditions, and the hold function is very useful when working in tight or awkward positions, where you can't constantly look at the screen. Another nice feature is its compact size. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and fits perfectly in a tool bag without taking up much space. For someone building a mobile setup or even a prepper kit, this is a very practical addition. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. First, safety. The clamp measurement method allows you to work without direct contact, which is a huge advantage. Second, versatility. It covers multiple electrical measurements in one device. Third, ease of use. Even beginners can quickly understand how to operate it. Fourth, portability. Lightweight and compact, ideal for everyday carry. And finally, value for money. As expected from Parkside, it offers solid performance at a very affordable price. Now for the cons. The build quality, while good, is not professional grade compared to high-end brands. The accuracy may not be suitable for highly precise or industrial applications. The clamp size is somewhat limited, so thicker cables might not fit easily. And the display, although clear, is fairly basic without advanced features like backlight in some conditions. Overall, this clamp meter is a great tool for DIY use, home electricians, and general troubleshooting. It delivers solid functionality, ease of use, and excellent value for the price. If you're looking for a reliable clamp meter without spending a lot, this is definitely worth considering. If you like this video and want to see more real tool reviews and tests, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next upload.